You see, we have a huge order here at $410 stacking up here, and significantly bigger than the orders to the downside. That means that all the traders, all the market makers are strongly believing that the price is going to come up to them. If they were desperate, they would have hit the market order and they've pushed the price lower. So you don't see desperate sellers up there. If they were desperate, they would have already gone out of the trade. So these are the people who think the trade comes to them. In this recap, we're going to talk about the most important tool that you need for scalping. And how do you see these kind of big moves that right now I'm catching on Tesla from 398 to 406, and how we can actually enter this in the middle of the way, and how we actually partialed, and how we were able to book almost $30,000 on this biggest scalp and overall $48,000 profit on such an amazing day. The most important tool that I want to talk about today is something we call Market Atlas that we build in partnership with NASDAQ. And essentially what Market Atlas is doing is that Market Atlas is giving you liquidity levels and the orders that the market makers are putting there for the future. And the rule of thumb is that as the orders are getting higher and higher and higher, significantly, the price action goes toward them. And it's very counterintuitive. A lot of people think that, okay, if the market and there are big sell orders up there, the price should go lower. However, as you see here in this live trade that I'm showing it to you, and I'm recording it, so as you see here, the price is significantly squeezing to the upside. And as you see, the orders are significantly higher and higher and higher. And as you see, we have a huge order here at $410 stacking up here, and significantly bigger than the orders to the downside. That means that all the traders, all the market makers are strongly believing that the price is going to come up to them. If they were desperate, they would have hit the market order and they've pushed the price lower. So you don't see desperate sellers up there. If they were desperate, they would have already gone out of the trade. So these are the people who think the trade comes to them. And that's why they're continuously bringing their trades higher and higher and higher and higher, orders higher. So, and this happens usually in, at the open during the volatile time. So Tesla at the open that it came up, so we went long for quick scalps because in those times we had 398, 399 order. But obviously as a trade management, when you scalp it like this, you partial, you want to get a stopped out at the break even. So that was the one trade that we did, and then the order started chopping around the volume weighted average price, which is one of the most important indicators that day traders should have, and then did a consolidation and it started running up. I didn't take this trade earlier because I was really down with my trading. But as the squeeze started having really moving up, and we saw huge orders toward 399, 400 was a very big order. I have a screenshot to show you, and 402, and I decided to take the trade at 399.50. And as you see here, holy moly, it's gonna go up. This is gonna go to 410. As a matter of fact, I can actually put some there, maybe 200 shares, maybe 100 shares at 409, I would let's say 408 and 409, and I'm gonna put some orders at 410 to sell. So this squeeze, as you see, is really crazy. And I got in there at 398 in very big position, and I started partialing out. And you see 408 to 410 is a trade that I'm really looking forward to. This depth of market works also for the futures as well. So obviously you just have to have the subscription because they're different exchange. CME Group and NASDAQ are different exchanges. So it actually works for the futures really well as well. So you see big, much more significant orders. So without this tool, you really don't, you're blind for day trading. And it's impossible to scalp the way that I'm doing here in this trade without having this tool. It's almost impossible. And this tool is the same as level 2. What it's having is having the time axis in there. So you can actually see the time axis, rather than just to see the top of the levels and then they're gonna be gone. And in Trading Terminal, which we built it in our community, we actually put a replay as well. So you can actually switch to replay, select the date. If you want, you can trade based on that as well. So if you can switch to the replay, you can select the time and then you can do the replay. But right now we're just focusing right now on the live, and right now as you see here, 407, 408, the orders that I'm really looking forward to get. And I think it's the most important tool that every trader needs to scalp the market. And all of the trades that I did today was based on that. So we had another trade on NVIDIA. So essentially, this was one small trade that we did here. And then there is another trade that we did here, again, with the help of Market Atlas at around 202. Now I have some screenshots actually to show it to you. Oh, there you go. So but before we go to the screenshots, the Tesla is filled my order at 408. Now let me show you the screenshots of the Tesla over time. Again, you can go to the replay and you can actually play around on the replay. But before that, let me quickly show that. All right, so this is the first screenshot that I want to show you to you. So this is the screenshot that I took at 9:55 in the morning. And this is a trade that I did on NVIDIA. So obviously we did the first trade on NVIDIA. The order was really huge at 202 and at 201.50. So that's why we went long. We added more and we really wanted to get to 201.50. And now let's see what happens after that. So this is at 10:14. That was about 20 minutes later. As you see, the order popped up toward 201.50, and we filled the 201.50 and we went through 202. And see the timestamp is there, and you can easily see orders that are still stacking. And then now this is the Tesla. So this is a Tesla at 10:34. This is before I take that trade. So this is very important. Before I take that trade, so the 400 was there available. So you see the orders at 399, 400 significantly higher, and I'm not really entering the trade yet, but I decided that the trade is good enough, and I entered at 398.50. The orders at 400 is really stacking up. Look at the time stamp, 10:37. It's only 1 minute after that. And now a couple of screenshots at 10:38. We broke the 400. You see the orders actually got filled at 400 here. So the orders got filled at 400. We popped up above. So this big bubble volume actually happened. Pulled back. All the pullback is always normal, but the orders still started stacking up toward higher. So they didn't really reverse. It means that the market still is going up. And again, boom, the next rally to 402. Again, 1040. This is only a few minutes after that. And then we can continue going up at 403. So the orders are now, as you see, continuously going higher. We can again go back up to 1042. Again, the timestamp is also very important. A small minor pullback would have been a great place to add. And 405, the big orders are stacking up. So it would have been a great place to add. But again, I had made so much money today that I really don't want to take another trade. This is a real trade that you see. So I got filled at 408 order. And even though there's still orders at 410, obviously we need a pullback because we can't just these parabolic moves. Eventually the market is making a pullback. But if you look at the 5 minutes, still very bullish, higher, significantly higher low. And now I have order at 409 and 410. I don't have much orders left. There's only a couple of hundred shares left for me. But without having this tool, it's really difficult for you to trade. And if, for example, this morning we had a little bit of an issue with Market Atlas, it was very difficult to really clearly to take the trade. And this is one of the most important tools that you really need for day trading. Without that, forget about this style of trading. A lot of our traders are trading this very successfully in our community. And if I want to show you, for example, some of the feedbacks that people have done. So this is just one of our traders right now. I mentioned that thanks, Andrew, for building us. This is truly a game changer for me. So a lot of our traders are trading it successfully, and I think it's very, very important to have this tool. That was it, guys. If you like the video, make sure to check Trading Terminal Market Atlas. So Trading Terminal Market Atlas is the most important tool that you need to use for scalping and day trading. Market is amazing. Market is just unbelievable. And we are trading live in the chat room every single day. The link is in the comment. If you have any question, just feel free to ask your question in the comment and I personally answer it. Or if you want to trade live with us, guys, in YouTube, we have free show, and also in the chat room, Brian and I and a couple of other experienced traders in our smaller VIP environment, we trade together with screen sharing and sharing all the ideas together. Thank you so much and have a good day.